Hi there. This is Nick, and we're doing a bike check. This is a 2013 King Curb. Weighs 25 pounds. Got a local BMX. Checking how it works. So, hold up a minute. So overall, I think this bike is pretty cool. Small sprocket. Yeah. Blue rims. You see the cassette, the hub is very loud when you ride.
Here, let me ride it.
I had my friend Christian test it.
Yeah, I'm gonna be right back.
You can hear how loud it is. It's very loud. But sadly, he can't do any tricks. He's just learning. He's a beginner. And yeah. So get a front view, a side view, a back view. This bike is currently 24 pounds, but we're thinking of putting plastic pedals on it. Light blue animal grips and blue chain wheel.
So,
Blue chain. All right. So, all right.
stay tuned for more videos. So, yeah.
All right.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe. Peace out.